Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today we are going to discuss few critical tips which I wish I had when I started my journey as a project manager. So either you're starting as a project management journey or you're looking to upgrade your skill, this tips is going to help you and succeed in your project management career path. So let's get started. First thing first, understand your team. Your team is the greatest asset. Take the time to get to know each member's strength, weakness, and working style. Build trust, being approachable and supportive. Remember, happy team is productive team. The next one is communication. Communication is key. A clear, concise, and timely communication can make or break your project. Hold regular meetings, provide update, make sure everyone is on the same page. Don't forget to listen while you speak. Remember, listening and speaking both are equally important while you're managing project. Be ready to pivot and make adjustments as needed. Embrace changes and see them as an opportunity rather than an obstacle. Remember, project management is all about managing those changes effectively and efficiently. The fourth one is prioritize and delegate. Remember, you can't do everything alone. And that's okay. Learn to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Delegate tasks to the team member and trust them to get the job done. This not only helps you to manage workload but also empowers teams. And remember, teamwork makes the dream work. The fifth one is keep learning. Remember, project management is a very dynamic world and is continuously evolving. Stay updated with latest trends, tools, and methodology. Attend workshops, read books, and never stop learning. Knowledge is power, and continuous learning is a key for long-term success. Next one is managing risk. Remember, identifying a risk and mitigating it as soon as possible is key for success of any project. A good project manager is always prepared for unexpected. Have contingency plan in place and be proactive rather than reactive. Keep in mind, effective risk management can make or break your project. And last but not least, celebrate success. No matter how small it is, it's very important to celebrate and recognize the hard work of your team. This basically boosts morale and motivates everyone in the team to keep pushing forward. All this advice I wish I knew when I started my project management journey. Tell me in the comment below section which advice do you like most? Or do you have another advice do you want to share with the team? Please feel free to do so. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. So feel free to comment below and we will love to help you out. Till the next time, stay focused, stay sharp, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.